Ready to move in Gatineau? Metropolitan Movers has you covered. Are you searching for a moving service in Gatineau that's professional, reliable, and right around the corner? Whether you're moving your family across town, relocating your business, or need help at the last minute, Metropolitan Movers Gatineau makes your move effortless and stress-free. Why choose Metropolitan Movers Gatineau? Over 17 years of experience, 60,000 moves completed successfully. 87% of our customers rate us 5-star skilled. Friendly movers treat your belongings as if they were their own because we know what matters most. We handle all types of moves, apartments, condos, or full house office relocations, quick and efficient, so you can get back to business emergency and same-day moves when you need help fast. Full packing and unpacking services so you can sit back and relax. Rest easy with a team that's licensed, insured, and trusted in the Gatineau community, ready for your move. Visit us at metropolitanmovers.ca or call now at 1-888-587-5687. Free quote and take the stress out of moving. Metropolitan Movers Gatineau, your trusted moving partner. Move with confidence. Move with us.